measurement. Children, are you good in solving word problem? Means you are going market with your parents and you are helping parents in calculation. Are you doing this? No? So today you will learn how to solve the word problem. So and the word problem is very important part of mathematics because we are using in our daily life and you will feel happy, okay? When your father is doing marketing and you will calculate and you will give the answer. You will also feel happy, your father will also feel proud of it. So today we are going to learn this solving the word problem of measurement. So first of all we are taking one question. Okay. Building A is 10 meter, 78 meter tall. If building B is 276 centimeter taller than building A, what is the height of building B? So here it is the question given. This is one building, okay, which is how much tall? 10 meter, 76 centimeter, okay. The height of the building is 10 meter and 76 centimeter. Now there is another building which is more taller than this building. But height is not given here. How much tall? Only it is given, okay, this is the building, apartment you think. Here it is given that building B is more taller than building A. But how much taller? Only that is given. So how much taller? 256 centimeter taller than building A. So we have to now calculate this height of the building. Okay. What we have to do? We have to calculate the height of the building. How we will calculate? You guess. So what we are going to do here? This much height we are knowing only. This much height we are knowing now. This much height is 10 meter 76 centimeter and we will add this 256 centimeter also. Then we will get the height of this building. So how we will solve? Solution I am showing you. What is given? Height of building A is given, okay. Meter 76 centimeter, okay. Now the height of building B is more than A is equal to okay. Then what is the height of building B? We have to find. So the height of the building B will be the height of building B is equal to the height of building A plus this much height. That only now. So height of building A is 10 meter, 76 centimeter plus 256 centimeter. Okay. Clear to you all? Now children, this 256 centimeter also we can write as a meter and centimeter. Because we know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So we can divide into like that. It will be 10 meter, 76 centimeter plus it will be how much meter? 2 meter. Because as That will be equal to 100 centimeter. It will convert into 1 meter. Here this is 200 centimeter, so it will convert into 2 meter. So this is 2 meter and 56 centimeter. Conversion already we have done. Okay. So now you can arrange in column and you can add it. Arrange in column, meter, centimeter, 10, 76, 2, 56. Then you add both of it, 6, 6, 12. 1 you will carry in your finger. 7, 5, 30, 7, 5, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 1 again you carry. 2 plus 1, 3 and then 1. So the height of the building is 10 meter, 32 centimeter. So this is only the height of building A. That will be 13 meter, 32 centimeter. Okay? Very easy work. You can do now. So we will take 1, 2 more problem here. So here is the question, how much is 89 kilometer 720 meter less than 120 kilometer 18 meter? Now here you see which one is less. Okay? In the number 89 kilometer 720 meter and in 120 kilometer and 18 meter. You compare which one is less. When we are comparing, what we are comparing? First we are comparing the kilometers, then we are comparing the meter. So first let's compare kilometer. Here it is 89 kilometer only and here it is 120 kilometer. Which is more? 89 is more or 120 is more? 120 is more, means 89 is less. 89 kilometer 720 meter is less than 120 kilometer and 18 meter. Okay? Now children, you see here, it is asking how much. We know that this is less, but how much? How much less? How much less means asking the difference. Okay? What is the difference? That much only less than that number. So we have to do the subtraction here. Okay? So 89 kilometer 720 meter less than 120 kilometer 18 meter is equal to, less than means we have to subtract, is equal to 120 kilometer 80 meter minus 89 kilometer 720 meter. Okay? Now we have to do the subtraction. So here first we will write in a column and then we will subtract it easily. Okay? So for writing the column, we are writing first kilometer and then meter. Then we are arranging this number in the column. First we will arrange the meter and we are starting from a right hand side. Okay? 8, then 1. And we know for the meter there is a 3 places. Okay? For the meter how many places is there? 3 places. But here it is only 8 ones, 1 tens is there, but no 100 is there. Nothing is there in 100 place. So we will write here 0 for the 100 place. Okay? Then 0, 2, 1. This is the kilometer. Now we will write this number below it. 0, 2, 7, 9, 8. Then you subtract it. Okay? 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 1 is smaller than 2, then 1 will borrow from here, but this is not having anything. So he will ask from here, it is also not having anything. So it will ask from here. Okay? Then 2 will give 1 to the next 0 and this will become 10. And this 2 will become 1. Okay? Now this 10 will give 1 0 to this, 1 to this and it will become 9. Now this 10 again will give 1 here and this will become 11 and this will become 9. It's okay? Now do the subtraction. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. And here it is 1. So 1 again, it will borrow 1 from here. It will become 11. So 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. So how much less? So answer is 30 kilometer to 98 meter. This much less. Okay. Now children, it is your turn. You try. Okay. You note down this question and try by yourself. This question, what I have showed, first example related to that question, and this is related to second example. Let's discuss here. To measure the depth of a well, a rod 12 meters 16 centimeter long was lowered. Recall here it is a well. Okay. You know what is well? There is a water inside. Open. Very, okay, deep it is. It is very deep inside, and from there we used to pull the water outside. That is only well. Okay, this is the well. The water is very deep inside. I am showing here this much only. So now we have to measure the depth of well. A rod is lowered down. We can't get inside and we can measure with the measuring tape. Okay. What we are doing? We have lowered one rod downside. So this, you think this is one rod which we have put inside the well. Okay. And it is said the length of the rod is 12 meters 16 centimeter. Now this is the total length of the rod we know. What is the total length of the rod? We know that is 12 meter 16 centimeter. Now if the length of the outside of the water is 2 meter, means length, what is outside the water, means this much length. We can't able to measure the length of inside now. We know what is the length of the rod. We know the length this much. And this much length of rod we have dipped inside it. Okay. So we have lowered it there. Now we can measure this length also, what is outside of the well, with the measuring tape, and that we have measured, and it is found that it is 2 meter 58 centimeter. Okay. Total length is 12 meter 16 centimeter, and the length which is outside of the well, outside of water, is 2 meter 58 centimeter. Now can you able to find the depth of the well? This only we have to find now. So what we will do here? By adding the depth of the well and the length of the rod which is left outside, we will get this much. So when we will subtract this length, we will get the depth of the rod now. So for this we will do the subtraction. Solution, what we will do here? Word problem, everything, statement you will write by yourself only. I am giving to you. Here we have to subtract 12 meter 16 centimeter minus 2 meter 58 centimeter. This only we have to do, and then we will get the answer. Okay, we will get the depth of the well. Now here is the second question, which is similar to the question that we have discussed in second example. This is similar to first example now. There we are adding. Height was given of the building, and by adding we are finding the height of the another building. Here by subtracting we are finding the depth of the well. Now here it is another question. What is 3 kg more than 8 kg 380 gram? Which is more? Read it again and again. What is 3 kg more than 8 kg 380 gram? Means the weight is given 8 kg 380 gram. Okay. Maybe weight of your brother is 8 kg 380 gram. Now your weight is 3 kg more than your brother weight. More than means we have to add it here. We will add here 3 kg. Then what we will get, that will be only answer. Okay. So you can relate it like that. It is given that 8 kg 380 gram is the weight of your brother. Okay. And your weight means your weight is 3 kg more than your brother weight. So what you are going to do? You are adding 3 kg, then you are getting your weight now. Okay? Simply means the weight of your brother is 10 kg and your weight is 3 kg more than your brother. So simply you can give answer, okay, my weight is 13 kg. Same way, here you have to calculate like this. So try yourself, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.